IntelliJ, which is an IDE for Java that we're going to use during the training. So let's go through together. So to install IntelliJ, you need to go to JetBrains URL, and you would see the screen. Then you click on download. Then after you click on download, you should see the screen. So we're going to be using community version, which is a free version. Then you can click on exe to download what you want. So when you click on exe, it's going to give you all these options. So I'm going to be using the first one actually. So JBR8exe. Then that should open the file location to you for you to store, and then also you get this location to install. You can click on there, and then you click on yes, then you click on next. You specify the location where you want to store it. Then also I normally advise people to check all these boxes, because Java associations. Also, you want to update your open folders projects. Also, you want to add a launcher to your path. So same, you want to do that one. So then also you want to add it to your menu, and that is as easy as it is. So you need to go to the location to install. Let's go to the location. Then you click on download. You click on exe. Click on and yeah, it's been installed at the location. Save. It's got 2 minutes to download. When it's finished, then you click on the exe file. So that should take us to its path. So yeah, so we should be able to click on and then we have one. It's got less than 1 minute left. Then we'll go. The next is just next, and that's everything that we need to do. So once that is downloaded, you click on the file and install. So I already got it installed on my system anyway, but we'll go through it together. So it's going to say next. So as you can see, it's already got a version installed, but I would check that it should install and click on next. So you won't actually see this in your own path. So if you have not got any installed before, you click on close. Then this is if you haven't got IntelliJ before, I think it should take you to the screen. So and you specify the location that you want. You click on next, and you got the association. I want to also search and also add my launcher directly to the path. Then click on next. Install. And once it's finished, and that's you ready. So once it's finished, it will ask you to manually reboot your system. Then you can click on finish or reboot now, or you want to reboot your system later. I will just say, yeah, I want to reboot mine later. So okay, then you click on finish. That's it. So that is the end of the installation. So what we've been able to do today, we've been able to install IntelliJ, we've been able to install Maven, we've been able to install Java, and we able to set up our environment for Java, home, MVN, and also M2. So that is what is required for the setup. Then we start on the IntelliJ and how to use TestNG from next week. So yeah, so thanks everyone. So yeah. So after installing IntelliJ, you just need to open it up, IntelliJ, and that should open IntelliJ for you. Said, do you want to import from previous versions? I don't want to import. Do not import any settings. So I want everything to be new so that we can start from a clean slate. Okay, cool. So then, so you can decide to skip remaining setup or you go to the next, I think. So you can decide on what you want to see. Do you want to see the cool developer one as your theme, or you want to select the light one, depending on what you want? So, because I know people will just click on next, so I will use this particular dark one and click on next. Then the next part is for you to set up what you want. So we're going to be using the test tool, so it's already enabled for us, so we don't need to do anything. We just need to continue. So all this has been enabled by default, so I think we are fine. We click on next. So we're not using Scala, we're not using Vim, we're not using Feature for Trainer. This might be a cool one. Okay, let me try to install that. Okay, and you don't need to install it anyway, so I just want to see what that's got. So yeah, start using IntelliJ. So then that is where we're going to, I think, okay, that's where we're going to stop tonight actually. So then we start from creating new projects from, next week. All right, thanks everyone.